using Adobe Clip. After you open a program, tap the plus on the left side of the screen to add videos. And you can add videos from your mobile device or from online. I'm going to add videos from my Creative Cloud. I have 3 videos here. I'm going to select all of them by pressing the check marks. And then at the bottom, I'll tap open. And I could let Clip set up a movie for me, but I'm going to use Freeform. Now we have a preview of what my videos will look like at the top, and we have a timeline here along the bottom. And I could click the arrow here to play my video to see what it's going to look like. If I want to move some clips around, I could just long pause until the clip moves, and then I could drag it to wherever I like it. I can also click at the top for more features. And notice the bar that shows up at the bottom of the video. I can tap and drag it in to shorten the clip. Actually, let's do it on this longer clip here. And just dragging in basically shortens the clip. So that's what we want to do if we want to trim the ends off. But what if we want to cut out the middle of a clip? We just tap where we want our first cut to be, and we'll see a white line. Then at the top right, we click this icon that looks like a duplicate letter thing. And one of the options is snip at playhead. So we just created the snip there. And I'll tap again. And let's say I wanted the rest of my snip right about here. We'll see a white line there. And then again, I'll hit split at playhead. And now let's say I want to take out that section that I just split up. I'll just tap the X. And then tap the trash can. If I ever want to add in any more clips, I can press the plus over here on the right hand side. Whenever I'm ready to render the video, I can tap at the top here, this box with the arrow, and I can save it back to my iPad or back to Creative Cloud, and I have other options. I'm going to save to Creative Cloud. And notice while we're waiting for it to save, notice the name that's going to give it, basically today's date and time. Once the video is saved, you can access it. And since I saved mine to Adobe, I'm going to go to creativecloud.adobe.com. And under my recents, I can find the video that I just saved. And if I tap it, I can get some options. I can tap the ellipses at the top right to download it. Or I could click this other icon here if I want to share it directly from Adobe. And here's a copy link.